Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Let me introduce you to the TONOR USB Conference Microphone. It is an omnidirectional personal computer condenser mic with mute button for online meeting, class meeting, etc. It's homeschooling device. For Zoom calls, Skype chatting, and it's plug and play. TM20. Wow, USB conference microphone by TONOR. That's awesome. Because of the compatibility. Not a speaker, the mic is perfect for online meeting, teaching and distance learning by using Zoom, Skype, GoToMeeting, WebEx, Hangouts, Fuze, etc. Superior sound quality. Built-in noise reduction technology can effectively block the noise and eliminate echo to pick up clear sound. It's designed for meetings. The TM20 adopts an omnidirectional pick-up pattern to capture the subtle sound from 360 degrees. The mic can pick up the voice of all speakers around it with a wide pickup range, round about 5 meters, 16.4 feet. When we move within the room, there are no difference in timbre, and it's plug and play. The TM20 is a USB 2.0 mic compatible with Windows and macOS. That means you can use it on Apple devices and Windows devices. Just plug it in to a laptop or a desktop computer and get started. No driver software is required. And we have one button mute setup. The built-in indicator light informs the status. Blue means working. Red means mute. Yeah, it makes our meetings more efficient while we are multitask doing a call to mute our mic with only one soft touch. That's really easy and really nice. And it is made of reliable materials. It feels really good if you're handed. USB conference microphone from TONOR and TM20. Clear sound for online meetings and distance learning. And the polar pattern is omnidirectional. The input sample rate is 48 kHz. The bit rate is 16 bit. The frequency response from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The sensitivity is 38 decibel plus minus 3 decibel. Oh yeah. Output impedance is 2.2 kilo ohm. The maximum SPL is 105 decibel, and it's all what we need. A balanced sound, a noise reduction. The noisy voice comes in and the clear voice comes out. And one button mute button. Working is blue, red is mute, and it is gray for disconnected. You can have a compatibility with all sound, like Zoom, GoToMeet, Skype, Google Meet, WebEx, Hangouts, etc. And of course, you can have it to play with online games too, no problem. Online meeting, small office meeting, distance learning, no problem with that device. This is a TONOR USB conference microphone. It is an omnidirectional personal computer condenser mic with mute button for online meeting and class working, using Zoom calls, Skype chatting, etc. Because it is plug and play. This is the TM20. Easy going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.